This is a tutorial for students who are having issues with authorizing their assignments in Canvas. If they are running into this issue, the first thing you need to have them do is set their account to have Google Drive, as I have just done. Click on account, then settings. They need to have their Google Drive registered. If they see it over here, they just click on it. It'll ask them to authorize. They just click on the authorize button. It'll show their ID at apps@everettsd.org. They click on that and they click allow when the box shows up that says allow. Once they've done that, they'll see this over here on the left-hand side. And then the next thing they need to do is go back to the Google Doc. And if they are still seeing that authorize here, it is not going to allow them to authorize because they are most likely blocking it, the cookies. And so they'll see a little eyeball up here with a line through it. That signals that you're not able to see because the third-party cookies are blocked. And what's happening is Canvas is trying to access a third party, which is their Google Drive. And because they blocked the cookies, it can't access. So to fix this, they need to go up to their Google Chrome, and that's the three dots up here. And they go to settings. And then they're going to scroll down to where it says cookies and other site data. And they just need to select allow cookies, or at the very least, they need to have block third-party cookies incognito. That will allow Canvas to then speak to the Google Drive, which is the third party. So you'll be able to see that if I come back over here, when I hit refresh, it will bring the Google Doc assignment that is attached to this assignment open. And now I'm able to access my Google Drive. So that's what they need to do. Thanks for listening.